At least 18 people, including 11 women and 5 children, were killed in a stampede that took place late last night at around 10 p.m. at the New Delhi railway station, which occurred when massive crowds rushed towards the Prayagraj Express to go on their way to Mahakumbh. Basically, we're getting a new update on the same story with a probe over the New Delhi stampede horror that is going to be taking place. A high-level probe by railways has begun. CCTV cameras have been sealed and secured. The railway minister has met with officials at the Rail Bhavan. The probe team will be examining the CCTV footage. Pankaj Gangwar, Chief Security Commissioner, and Narsingh Das, Principal Chief Commercial Manager, to lead the inquiry. This is after 18 people, including 11 women and 5 children, were killed and over a dozen were injured at a stampede at New Delhi railway station at 10 p.m. last night, caused by a sudden rush of passengers who tried to board trains for the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. The Ministry of Railways has ordered a high-level inquiry, and basically the inquiry has started with the CCTV footage now having been sealed. Let's listen into CPRO North Central Railways. Right.
देखिए, प्रयागराज में और प्रयागराज के आसपास के जो 8 स्टेशन हैं मुख्य, जिनसे कि हम पूरे इस महाकुंभ के पर्व के दौरान लोगों को, श्रद्धालुओं को उनके गंतव्य की ओर भेज रहे हैं, वहां पे हमने इन सभी स्टेशनों पे अपना एक सेट प्रोटोकॉल बनाया हुआ है। किस तरह से लोगों को एंट्री कराई जाएगी स्टेशन में, कैसे एग्जिट होगी। ज़्यादातर स्टेशनों पे हमने जैसे सिंगल साइड से एंट्री और दूसरी साइड से एग्जिट किया हुआ है। इसका फायदा ये है कि लोगों का कोई भी क्रिस क्रॉस मूवमेंट नहीं होता, यूनिडायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट रहता है। तो ये जो हमारे सारे सेट प्रोटोकॉल हैं, इन्हीं के अनुसार हम कार्य कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों की श्रृंखला को देखते हुए लगातार विशेष गाड़ियों का संचालन कर रहे हैं।
My colleague Piyush Mishra is joining us with more details. Piyush, give us more details on this probe that is going to be conducted. We're hearing that the CCTV cameras have been sealed and secured. What next steps now?
Well, certainly, Chetna, what we are now told is that the Indian Railways have begun the inquiry which was ordered yesterday. You would remember that Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav himself had announced that the railway is going to do high-level probe in the incident in which around 18 people have lost their lives and many have now been injured. We have been told from our sources that 2 top officers of Indian Railways, which includes Narsingh Dev, who is PCCM Northern Railways, and Pankaj Gangwar, who is PCSC, which means the Security Commissioner of Northern Railways. These 2 officers are going to lead this entire probe. All the CCTV cameras of platform numbers 13, 14 and 15 have now been sealed and secured. Entry and exit point CCTV cameras have also been sealed and secured, and very soon we can expect a detailed inquiry to take place because there are many allegations those are being leveled on the railway officials, which includes the announcement which was made of cancellation of trains, announcement of delaying in trains and also changing of platforms. At the same time, the primary information which we have received from railways is that the incident took place because one of the passengers slipped from the foot-over bridge, following which the stampede took place, and in that primary information also the entire inquiry will take place. So the probe has begun. All the CCTV cameras concerned have now been sealed and secured. Chetna.
Right, thanks Piyush for bringing us those details. Probe will reveal why the stampede took place in the way it did that led to the death of 18 people last night.